Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show how to set up your development environment. I'm going to keep these links in the description. So someone commented on my first video how to set up live server. I'm just going to, instead of just telling how to set up whole live server, I'm going to show how to set up the development environment. So here I'm using Debian Ubuntu. So like Visual Studio Code, they created something to detect your operating system. So now it's automatically going to give you what you want, what operating system you run on. So just if you're Windows, it's just going to give one, but for Linux there are two options like that. So I use .deb for Debian Ubuntu, and if you use Linux, Red Hat, Fedora, you use .rpm. So I'll click on this. It's automatically gonna start downloading. Yeah, and then so we have Node.js. So then here, if you are on Linux, you have to go to the terminal and you have to type sudo apt install node.js. So sudo apt install node.js, that you type and then press enter. It will ask you for your password. You just type your password and then it's going to install node.js. But if you're on Windows or Mac OS, so Windows, you just click on this, the recommended for most users, and for here Visual Studio Code is telling can harm your computer, but it's actually not going to do much harm. So yeah, so let's get back to Node.js. I still didn't teach JavaScript, but it's still better to have it ready. So here for Linux, as I told you, sudo apt install node.js. I'm going to keep that also in description. But for Windows, you just click on this download and it's going to start downloading. Then here you just click open, like when for this node.js one, you click open and it's going to start the verification, everything same like Mac. So now here you just press open. So it'll tell Ubuntu software I'm ready. So when it will come, so it'll take you to this. So then you can click install. I already have the latest version installed. So when you click install, it'll ask the password. So now we go to Visual Studio Code. I'm just going to show the live server part now. So search for live server and so go to this live server. So it should be by Ritwik Day. So then you just click install. For me, I have already installed. So for now, yeah, so it'll install it, okay, and then so then whenever you open a project, bottom line here, you're going to get go live and you just click on go live. If you have an index.html page, it will ask for an index.html page, so better to have index.html page. Yeah, so this is it guys. I hope this has helped you to set up your development environment. I should have kept this as my first video, but I'm sorry I did not keep it. I'm going to make sure to keep the setting up parts first from in the future. Yeah, so this is it guys. In the next video, hopefully, if no one has any more doubts, we will continue with our CSS course. Bye guys.